Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we're 2013 Holden Cruze, stock number 6835. This ran from the 7th 2012 to the 1st 2017. It has a 1.9 UN 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear simultaneous factory made tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate no dent, right hand taillight, right rear simultaneous factory made tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.